We want to add and subtract rational expressions, and in order to do that most efficiently, we need to find the least common multiple. So there's some steps down here at the bottom of the screen that we need to follow in order to get that. Step number 1, factor each polynomial completely, and then form the least common multiple by writing each factor to the highest power it occurs in either polynomial. So if we write out the first one, we have 4 multiplied by x times y squared, and then we can rewrite that as 2 times 2 times x times y times y. Then we look at the next one. We have 2x squared y cubed, 2x squared y cubed, and we can write that out as 2 times x times x times y times y times y. So when we want to form the least common multiple, what we need to do is we need to multiply, or we need to find the highest power of each. So if we look at the two numbers, we have 2 squared and we have 2 to the first power. So the highest one is 2 squared. If we look at the next variable, we have x to the first, we have x squared. So x squared is the highest. And then we have y cubed or y squared. So we have y cubed is the highest. So we can write that out as 2 times 2 times x times x times y times y times y, which is equal to 4x squared y cubed. We can do the same thing with the next example. So we have 5x cubed. We can write that out as 5 times x times x times x. And then we have 10x squared y cubed. And that can be written as 5 times 2 times x times x times y times y times y. And for both of the polynomials here, we see that we have 5 to the first, so it doesn't matter which one we pick either one. We only have one that has a 2 involved. And then we have an x cubed, and we have a y cubed. So we end up with 2 times 5 times x times x times x times y times y times y, which ends up being 10x cubed y cubed.